next up, the Congressman for Handshake. In this, we need to pick up a smartphone and return it to Handshake. And we have the mission Felony and Punishment for Banshee, in which we need to retrieve the smartphone and return it to him instead. There are two choices to make for this, handing it to either vendor. Which one is up to you to decide, whichever one you want to level up more, but essentially you need to go to the same place to pick up the same phone. Head across to the Midnight Sapphire Hotel, all the way on the far north, and you'll need to navigate into this building over here. This place is, once again, relatively well guarded. There are bots everywhere here, crawling around and being very sneaky, but it should still be more than possible to do, even if you're just solo. We are, of course, also avoiding the main hotel area where most of these bots are. There's just a few hanging around in the white water villas. So when you feel like you're ready, head across here and make your way towards this middle building on the eastern side here. Heading all the way up here, this is the building that we're looking for. Once again, these buildings are all pretty much copy-pastes of each other, but the one that we're looking for is over here. Once again, the map. What we need to do is head across to the front entrance. The gate is blocked. You need to find the garage entrance over here where the door is open and find your way in. Go through the front entrance over here, and once you're inside, take a right, then across to this main hallway here. Take a left, and then head all the way across to the furthest room on the left over here. Inside of this room, behind the couch, you'll find the cell phone on the floor right about here. After picking it up, you can take it back to either vendor, completing the quest for one of them and failing it for the other. It's a simple mission, but anyways, that's really it. That's all you need to know for this quest, so thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!